Crêpes Suzette is a French classic. I'm going to show you my take on it with mandarin and maple syrup. First off, in a pan on medium heat, toast some flaked almonds. Set those aside to use them later. For your crêpe batter, you'll need some flour and milk that's at room temperature. Add a tablespoon of icing sugar for sweetness, but not too much, and 1 whole egg. Bring that mixture together using a whisk until fully combined. A pinch of salt and a touch more milk to thin the batter so it spreads easily when cooking. Now, melt some butter to give your batter a velvety richness. A final whisk, and this is the consistency you're looking for, thin but not runny. Pan on the heat and ladle your batter into one side. Give it a twirl and let it cook. It should just lift off the pan when it's done. Flip it over and cook for another 10 seconds. Get some butter sizzling, add a little lime and mandarin zest. Some sugar and the star of the show. With your hands, squeeze the juice from 2 mandarins. And finally, a hint of lime for some sharpness. Fold your crêpes into quarters to cover the pan and cook until those juices begin to caramelize. Place your remaining crêpe over the top, flip it over and throw in some more butter before getting the pan under the grill where it should take less than a minute to become golden brown. Pour over a high quality maple syrup, toss in your flaked almonds and dust with icing sugar. Serve with an Earl Grey tea and you've made a great start to the day.